Hello my dear friends, today I am here with a pattern tutorial for this classic and stunning wrap dress. This design has subtle details in neckline adjustment and shaping the cuffed sleeves, which we will review step by step. This pattern is excellent for those looking for a professional, boutique quality fit. Let's start the design. If you have just joined the ladybirdesigner family and this is the first video you are watching, a very warm welcome to you. I suggest watching the basic bodice and sleeve tutorials first. I have placed the links for these videos in the description, so you can easily follow along with us from the very beginning. To start the design, first mark half of the bust span distance on the waistline. This point will be the intersection for our wrap. Now, using a ruler, draw the neckline from the shoulder corner to this mark. When the neckline is this deep, always take a 0.6 centimeter dart on the neckline and close it on the pattern. Also, take a 0.5 centimeter dart from both the front and back shoulders to ensure the neckline sits perfectly on the body. Since this dress is fully lined, we will cut all the pattern pieces again exactly the same way for the facing and lining. This ensures the inside of the garment is as clean and professional as the outside. As always, remember to write down all the relevant notes on each pattern piece. This will ensure that you do not encounter any issues during cutting and sewing, allowing you to proceed with full confidence. Note that in this model, the side dart will be fully sewn on the garment. This provides better shape and volume to the bodice, ensuring the dress has a more professional fit around the bust area. As always, I have included the garment length and all the important notes in the description. Make sure to check it. At this stage, I am completely transferring the back dart to the side seam and removing it from the pattern. With this technique, the back of the dress will appear perfectly smooth and seamless, while still maintaining the necessary ease and shape at the sides. For this model, the zipper is sewn on the side seam. However, you can choose to sew the zipper at the center back according to your preference and comfort. Both methods work well for this dress and will provide a beautiful fit. As always, first measure the front and back armhole circumference. Compare it with the sleeve cap curve. The sleeve cap measurement must be larger than the armhole. You can add this extra amount to either the sleeve cap or the side seams. In this case, I added it to the sleeve cap and then reshaped the curve. For the sleeve side seams, you can stick with the basic pattern. However, if you prefer a slimmer and more fitted sleeve, follow my lead and take it in slightly from the sides to create a narrower shape. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. To support me, please subscribe to the channel and give me energy with your likes and comments. Thank you for being with Ladybird Designer.